Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how I edit my YouTube videos. So for my editing tool, I used iMovie. So currently on the screen that I'm showing you right now is the iMovie application. And on how you can get this iMovie, you can just go to their website. You can go to apple.com, and from here there's an option for you to download iMovie for Mac OS. Okay, and mind you, this app is for free. So for those of you who are using Apple products, say for example on your iPhone, you can download iMovie. iPad, you can also download iMovie so you can edit your videos. And for those who are using their laptops like the MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, this application is just for free. Okay, so let me now show you the iMovie application. So I've already downloaded it from that website and have it installed, and I have been using this for quite a while now. This is the application that I'm using for me to edit my YouTube videos. So yeah, this is just a very simple movie or video editing tool. Okay, I just self-studied it, and also of course check videos on YouTube or on Google on how to get everything done and how you can create a good quality video or product. So first things first, of course, for you to have something on your dashboard. So this is like a dashboard part. This is where you can put all your media. So yeah, this is the my media, like my media dashboard, something like that. So for you to get all your raw movies or your raw photo, you can just click on this drop down arrow button right here. This is on how you can import your videos from your camera recorder or your phone, or yeah, anything you would like to get those raw videos or media. So from here you can just look for the folder where you need to get those media. Okay, so for this example, for this video, let's just use this video that I have right here on my media dashboard. So let me just, before we go through creating a new video, let's just go ahead and check on all of the icons right here, these buttons right here. So we're done with my media. So next is the audio. So on this application, sound effects is already part of the iMovie application. So this is being offered by iMovie for free. So there's a theme music right here that you can choose from, and there's a lot of that you can play with. You can play around with. Okay, there's effects, there's sound effects. I love sound effects and a lot more. You can just play around once you have already installed iMovie on your system. Okay, and you can also get background movies via iTunes. So yeah, if you're familiar with how you can download music or sounds from free, yeah, downloadable music or sounds to any source, then that would automatically be forwarded to iTunes, and then you can just get that from iTunes and have that use as your background music or background sound. So in most of my videos I use the Bend Sound, and all the music or sounds from Bend Sound, their website is www.bendsound.com, and all of the music and sounds that you're going to download from the site is just for free. You just need to credit the owner. Okay, every time you upload videos on YouTube, you just need to credit the owner. Okay, so yeah, so that's how I've downloaded most of or that's how I've integrated or put on most of the music on my videos from Bend Sound. And of course any other sources like the audio library, I think, from YouTube. So those were no copyright, and a lot more. I think there's a lot more, but I just like the Bend Sound music though. So next tab is subtitles. So here you can select, there are a variety of styles right here, and you can just play around with too. Okay, and there's also some effects right like that. Okay, stuffs like that. So really up to you and how you can, on how you would like to design your or how you would like to edit your video. And next tab is the background. So backgrounds, there are preloaded backgrounds here. And lastly, the transitions. So it is also add up like cinematography on your video, right? The way it switched to another scene or to another video. So this is again really up to you. So we're done with the buttons or the functionalities on the tabs right here. So we can start on trying to edit our video. Okay, so all you need to do is, you can, if you can notice there's like a plus sign right here. You can either click that, so it will get added to your I think this is like a storyboard, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that's the storyboard. So let's just delete the other one. Okay, or you can drag. So earlier, as you can see, I've just dragged it, and or you can just click on the plus sign. Okay, and from here, if you would right click on your media, there's a lot of actions that you can do on your media. So you can play, you can cut, you can copy, you can delete, you can split the clip, you can add, freeze frame, detach audio, trim to playhead, show clip trimmer. So in my experience, I only use the detach audio, split clip, cut, copy. Those were just a very basic thing that I usually used on these actions right here. Okay, so for you to split the clip, you just need to click on the portion where you would want to split the clip. So for example, and if you can see the yellow line right here, this indicates where the split would start. Okay, right click and then split, and it would get split. Okay, and then if for all of the actions that you would like, or actions or functions that you would like to do on your raw video, just need to highlight it. As you can see, if we're not going to highlight it, it would not take effect on your video. Okay, so highlight first, and make sure that you can see it's highlighted in yellow. I think that's the default color. Highlight, and you can do a lot of like editing here. Okay, styles here. So you can do color balance, you can do so this is a color balance, and this one also I think color balance, just same thing. And this if you would like to crop your video, and this if you would like your video to have a stable shaky video. I haven't tried this in most of my videos, but maybe you can try on your own. And this if you would like to you would like to I think you just play around on how you would like your video to on how you edit your video, really up to you. And this is on how you reduce the background noise, and there's like a percentage if you want it at 100%, 50 or 70, up to you. And the equalizer depending on your surround, depending on the setting where you're in. So if it's kind of like very noisy, then you can try to reduce the background. And this is the speed of your video. So there's a normal, slow, fast, freeze frame, custom, and it's again up to you. And this one is the audio effect. So there's a lot to choose from. So here we go. Okay, and lastly, I'm not sure what's this. I think it's just the information about this clip that we're about to create. Okay, so let's try to like put some, can inlay, there's the background, alright, and you can also put some title like that. That's how you do it. And you can edit the text. Hi, just a test. And you can also click on here to change the color of your font or your text. Okay, and you can also change the size of your text, and you could change the font, up to you. Alright, okay, and then what else? I think that's pretty much it. Me personally, I just love it simple and straight to the point. Okay, if you would also like to put some transitions, say for example, you can split this because we only have one file or media, so you can drag the transition right here like that. Simply drag. Okay, and if you would like to see the effect, so simply like that. Okay, and if you would also like to remove the audio on your video, you can click on detach audio, and you can just, if you wish to delete it, then delete. Alright, okay, so I think that's pretty much it about this iMovie editor. And if you would like to save this video and you're ready to have it uploaded on your YouTube channel, then let me show you how. Click on this. This looks like an exit button, so you just need to click on it, and then I personally use the file option, but you can play around with the other options though. So I personally use this file option. Save it. So say for example, sample movie, and then hit next. Okay, save it at the desktop, so it'll be easier for us to locate that after. And there would be an indication right here if your movie or your file had already been exported successfully, and as you can see, it moves. Okay, there's like a status indication if it's almost done, or so if it's a small file, then it would be uploaded or exported that quick. Okay, just like this. And if you would like to show it and then play it, say for example, play, then you have your iMovie product. Okay, so if you can see the quality, it has a very good quality, right? And on the YouTube channel, you could also set the setting to have your follower or your viewer view it on a HD quality. You can have that. Okay, and I think that's it for now. I hope you learned something today about the iMovie, on how you can create your video to upload on YouTube, which is a free application from Apple that would work on all of the Apple products, such as your phone, your iPad, and Apple laptops. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel and hit the notification bell so you will get notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you. Bye.